Who doesn't love Disney, right? So. Guess where I'm going? I got Charnay here with me, and we're gonna go see Beauty and the Beast at the Hollywood Bowl. If you haven't been to the Hollywood Bowl, you should definitely come here. It's my first time, and I'm really, really excited. Well, two, because it's also Beauty and the Beast. Who doesn't love Disney, right? So, yeah, so I'll show you what it's like once we get inside. So right now we're just sitting, waiting for the show to start, but we have some time to kill. So what better way to kill time than eat? Guys, look, it's really picnicky. You can get food, we have some alcohol, we have even desserts. Yay! Yay, we're in our seats! I'm sweating just from walking up all these stairs. Next time we'll be sitting down there in the private boxes, right?
Yes.
But hey, this is my first time coming to the Hollywood Bowl, so I'm just happy to be here. She's the one who invited me. Hi. So when the show comes on, I'll show you how it goes.
A little town, it's a quiet village. Every day like the one before.
So now they have the intermission. It's like the olden days when they used to intermission at the theater. So the lights have come back on and everybody's just kind of doing whatever they want. Yeah, so we'll see what happens next.
It's time to lead the way.
So now we are on our way to Malibu Wines, which is so far. I've never been. I know it's, for someone who lives in the LA area, the fact that I've never been to Malibu Wines is like really crazy. But anyway, so it's my first time and I'm very shocked by how far it is, but you can see we're literally driving in the mountains right now and my ears are popping. I'm with Charnay.
Hi!
She's a great driver. Yeah, so I'll check in once we arrive there. So guys, we're at Malibu Wines now. As you can see, there's tons of, you can buy wine by the bottle or the glass, and then people like bring their own food and it's picnic style. I was just saying how it's picnic style here, so don't come here expecting to buy food.
No.
Yeah, come prepared. There's Adria.
Hi.
She put this together.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, she always puts together everything good. Well, no, you did too, because we went to Beauty and the Beast yesterday.
Yes.
Yeah, I'm the one who sucks. Yeah, I'm the one who sucks at putting. I don't plan anything really.
You just come.
I just come. Hey, you have to have people who show up too.
Exactly. The planners need the attendees.
Exactly. Otherwise, who would come to our event?
I know. No, I want to leave now. You can do it though. I just don't want to go all the way down there again. It's Thanksgiving! Yay! Look at the table we have. It's not actually Thanksgiving, it's Friendsgiving. But it feels like Thanksgiving for me because I'm not going home or anything.
Aww.
So, but here's our table so far. The turkey's gonna go there. And then we have some snacks and drinks. And then we have Adria, who's making the entire meal herself. Can somebody hire her to like be their like private chef? So you have like mac and cheese, sweet potatoes, and then what else you have? Green bean casserole, the turkey. She made a whole turkey. And then there's other stuff, but I don't know what it is, so I'll leave that for a surprise. So, Charnay, what are you thankful for?
I'm thankful for Adria and all her cooking that she's done for us this Friendsgiving.
Yay! Jen, what are you? Oh, you're eating. See, I know how to not embarrass my friends.
Wonderful friends in LA and us being able to get together.
Yay!
Have a Friendsgiving.
Adria, what are you thankful for?
I'm thankful for my friends and the fact that we're doing this amazing Friendsgiving and that we get to hang out together all the time.
Yay! I'd say the same thing. I'm copying you guys, but I genuinely am thankful for my friends.
It's okay, I can do it. I don't have a carver. Do I need a carver?
We'll get it.
Yay, we've started. Happy Thanksgiving! Happy Thanksgiving!